Well, good morning guys, and thanks for joining us on another video. Today, or this morning, we thought we might have been able to get to a World War II battleship hull, which I don't know whether you'll be able to see it in the distance behind me. Just looks like a rusty piece of rock, because where we are, which is Norway, and where we camped last night, just round about there ish. But I can show you another waterfall, which is just up here. So we'll go and take a look at that, right down on the coast. And this water is crystal clear. Well, let's go and have a look at this waterfall. I know it's another waterfall, but we're in Norway. It has a lot of waterfalls, and big ones. And this one's not as big as the one we took you to in the last video, but we can't get any closer to the battleship hull because it's cordoned off and it's private. But you can have a look at this waterfall. And this is as close as I can get to this one as well. Take a look. It's only a little one. Not quite as impressive. I mean, I think there's a bigger bit further up, but we can't get to that because it's in this private road. So now I've got to try and get myself off this beach, which isn't quite that easy. The mountains behind me look like it's an old volcanic mountain range by the looks of it. Don't know whether it is or not, but looking at the craters that are left, I think it is. Also, when we stopped, this lake, fjord because we're in Norway, it's crystal clear. I'm going to send the drone up so you can have a look. where it starts. I mean, Norway's made a better effort than Sweden did. Sweden only put a sign up. But they've tried to recreate all the stone carvings in the wood. I don't know whether you'll be able to pick them out or not. And I think we're going to go and have a look in the visitor centre. Well, we're in here now and we've found some more trolls and lots of stuffed animals. Tried to see which ones we'd seen in the wild. Janet had seen an Arctic fox. We've seen absolutely loads of reindeer, but none of the others. Definitely no polar bears. And we'd seen a couple of these moose knocking about. After editing in this part of the video, I discovered that there was no sound, which was really annoying because I was wandering around quite happily talking to the camera, or should I say to anybody who's watching this video, explaining why we'd come to this place and how beautiful it was. But anyway, I'll try and, well, I can't recreate what I said because I can't remember what I said. But this park up was in a little town called Berg. Nothing in that town at all. The reason why we went to Berg is because we used to have a border collie called Berg. So when I found this town on the map, Janet decided, right, let's go. We've got to go to the town name and take Berg's picture. We lost her a couple of years ago, but people that know us will know why we've done it. I'll stick a picture in. You've probably seen her in the background anyway on previous videos. We found this park up, so we decided to stay. It was right on the beach. This was a really nice place to sleep. If we could, we would have stayed there another night just to enjoy it, or waffling to the camera. Unfortunately, you'd not be able to hear anything because the microphone wasn't plugged in properly. So stick with it. Ignore me waffling and try and enjoy the view. And Norway even provided a lean-to so you could sit and enjoy the view, have a fire if you really wanted to, and just chill out.